Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. I have taken one case study based question from chapter 5 Principles of Inheritance and Variation. In case study based questions, initial knowledge is required, so I would recommend to read each line of NCERT, and even I have a playlist on complete chapter 5. You can watch that as well for getting knowledge of each topic. So here in case study, one paragraph will be given to you as I have written here for you. There will be 5 questions or even more than that, and if there would be any choice, they will be mentioning how many questions you have to go with it. Okay, so let's see what it is there in the paragraph. It says Mendel experimental plant was P. It had 7 contrasting traits for which it was chosen by him. He proposed the law of dominance. Later, after his demise, scientists reworked on his findings and concluded that this law is not universal. Suppose you have pure red flower and pure white flower of snapdragon plant and they are crossed together, conclude the result. Now let's understand first the question. They are talking about law of dominance. They are talking about pure red flower. They are talking about pure white flower, and they are also talking about snapdragon. Now when they are talking about pure red, that means they are talking about homozygous dominant condition. Pure white means they are talking about homozygous recessive condition, and they are talking about snapdragon. That means they are giving you an idea on incomplete dominance, because incomplete dominance was proven on snapdragon and mirabilis. They, in spite of showing red color in the F1 generation, these both plants exhibited pink color. So first question is there, in case of, you have to conclude the result in case incomplete dominance is there. So as I said, let's do a cross for it. So these are our parents. Okay. So from capital R, we'll be getting R. From small r, we'll be getting small r. So in F1, we will have capital R and small r. And they are talking about incomplete dominance. So neither the expression will be red nor it will be white. Rather, it would be pink, because we know that in incomplete dominance mixed expression comes. So in this case, our third option will be the right answer. Let's come on to the another question. In case of dominance, they are saying if snapdragon is following dominance, then you know that out of red and white color, red is the dominant one. So expression of red will come. Right? So in case of option B, you will pick up red as to be the right answer. Let's move ahead. Find the genotypic ratio of F1 if it is crossed with the dominant parent. Okay, so F1, we know that this is capital R, small r. Dominant parent means this one. So if it is crossed with capital R, let's find out. From this, 2 gametes will be there, R and R. Here only one gamete will be there. So we will have capital R, and we will have capital R, small r. So 50% of the individuals will be there with homozygous dominant genotype, and 50% will be with heterozygous genotype. This is heterozygous, capital R, small r, because one dominant allele is there and one recessive. Whereas in capital R, both the alleles are same, and whenever they are same, we call them homozygous, because dominant allele is there, so we would be calling it as homozygous dominant. So here in this case, our genotypic ratio will be 1:1. So we will pick this option 1. Now let's move on to option number D, which says to find out the phenotypic ratio if F1 is crossed with the dominant parent. Now here in this question, we have to find out the phenotypic ratio. Now for phenotypic ratio, we need not to make the cross again, because this again will be the case. Say they have said F1 is crossed with dominant. So this was our F1. This we have taken. This is our dominant parent, taken, and these were the 2 genotypes which we attained. So in the question, they are asking us to tell us the phenotypic ratio. Okay, so phenotypic ratio in this case, because we have taken the example of Snapdragon, so all the individuals that have RR, right, their expression will be red, right, and the individuals that have genotype of capital R and small r, their expression will be pink, because we are talking about Snapdragon. So here in this case 50% will be red, 50% will be pink. So in this case the right option will be 1:1. Let's move on to another and last part of it. Here the question is asking what would be the phenotypic ratio if F1 is crossed with the recessive parent. So this was our F1. We are crossing it with the recessive parent. In the case of recessive parent, these are our gametes, right? If you want to make the Punnett square, it will be like this. So in this case, we will have capital R, small r, their expression will be pink because they have given the general case of Snapdragon, which follows incomplete dominance, and small r will obviously be white. So again, we have 50% pink, 50% white. And in this case, again, we have to pick up 1:1 as the right ratio. Hope this was helpful to you. Stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Wish you happy learning. All the best.